Hey kids, I am Fireman Sam. I'm gonna show you Penaya's great fire trucks collection. Are you with me? Let's start. I can see here a beautiful rescue vehicle. Do you see it? That's a beautiful rescue vehicle. Do you see the spare tire? And the beautiful wheels? With a Spanish flag on it. On a gas tank. Beautiful, huh? Now, let's pick another one. I see here, what's that? That's a fire truck. A yellow fire truck. Looks like an American fire truck. In England, we're not using this kind of fire trucks. What's that? It's a cool fire truck with leather and an axe. See the pipes? Here are the pipes. Also, here you got other pipes. Wow. Beautiful. And now Fireman Sam. I see here a new fire truck with a crane. Do you see the crane? That's the crane. These are the wheels. Let's put it here. Wow. Look. This is the crane. With the crane, with the help of the crane, you can elevate firefighters to upper floors in burning buildings. And that's the ladder here. And you can see we have here pipes. See the pipes inside here. And this is it. Now let's pick another one. Wow. What do you say about that, kids? That's a beautiful fire truck, isn't it? It looks like a truck, big truck, but it has also pipes, and it seems like it can go to very dangerous places. See here, that's a water gun, and this is it. And what can we find more? Let's see. I don't want this one, I want this one. See, that's a rescue team four-wheel drive vehicle. That looks like a Defender, maybe. and it has lots of equipment on top of it. You can see there like water tanks and something to cook on, and a box. All this on the roof. Great. And what can we find more? What do you say? But us finding this one. What's that? That's a rescue ambulance. See? You can take it everywhere. It goes everywhere. Bye bye, kids. Bye bye.